Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check app preferences of your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So, as you guys can see here, we are in the app and now we need to click the gear icon here. As you guys can see here, we have the preferences. Here we have a software version. For me, it's 2.00. And we can also check for updates here. You can automatically check for updates. You can disable or enable that. You can disable or enable open automatically at login, or disable or enable control prompter script with hotkeys. Here you can also change the snapshot location, which is, let me show you guys, taking a snapshot of your camera. As you guys can see, mine is right here. And now, last but not least, here we have the information about copyrights. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.